Need a secure way to share your files with anyone, anywhere? In this video, I'll show you how to use UGREEN Link to safely share files and folders directly from your UGREEN NAS across the internet. Let's get started. To share files or folders using your UGREEN NAS, start by opening the Files app on your dashboard. From here, simply navigate to the specific file or folder you want to share. Once you've found it, right-click on the item and select Share. This will open up your Share Settings panel. First, choose your recipient. You can select Internal for users who already have an account on your NAS, or External for anyone else. Since we want to share this out broadly, select External. Next, look at the Validity option, which controls when the link expires. You can choose Permanent to keep the link active indefinitely, or click the calendar icon to pick a specific expiration date, or select a preset timeframe from the list on the left, such as 1 day, 5 day, or 30 day. If you want your external guests to be able to save these files, check the box to allow downloads. To add an extra layer of security, enable password protection. You can use the automatically generated password or type in your own custom password. For the visit limit, you can restrict how many times the link can be accessed. This is a great way to prevent your link from being spammed or reshared publicly. Finally, choose your access method. Select UGREEN Link to provide a connection for remote users. This utilizes UGREEN's free, completely secure UG-Link service to share your data safely across the internet. Once you click Confirm, you can click the QR code to download it to your device for easy sharing, or simply choose Copy Link and Password to paste them directly into an email or messaging app. Alternatively, you can just click Copy to test and open the link directly in your own browser. When your user opens the link, they'll see a password prompt. Once they type it in, they'll have full access to your data. They can download the entire folder at once, or browse through it to download individual files. If you shared photos, they can click to open them and scroll through just like a gallery to preview all the shared photos. If you're sharing videos, your guests don't even have to waste time downloading massive files to their devices first. They can simply double-click on the video file and stream the video directly from your UGREEN NAS over the internet. The system automatically handles the playback smoothly, turning your shared link into a personal streaming platform for your clients, friends, or family. Thanks for watching. Scan the QR code on screen for more tutorials and tips to get the most out of your UGREEN NAS.